Hello, learners! Yo, yo, yo! Today's topic is all about Christmas conversations, how to wish, how to reply, and how to deal with the holiday feelings. All right, let's get into it. If you like this, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Let's start. Aspen, hey, do you have a second? Christmas is almost here, and I don't even know how I'm supposed to feel about it.
Yeah, of course. What's going on? Christmas stress hitting you again?
Kinda, yeah. Everyone acts like the holidays are so perfect, smiling, posting pictures, exchanging gifts. But for me, it always feels complicated. I don't even know how to wish people properly. Awkward, I know.
Sadi, hey, listen, it's normal, okay? Christmas hits people differently. Some get excited, some get overwhelmed, some are just tired.
I know. But when someone says Merry Christmas, I freeze. I'm like, you too? It always sounds so dry. Embarrassing.
Okay, let's fix that. It's all about warmth. Try saying something like, Merry Christmas. Hope your day is filled with peace and good vibes. Simple, real, genuine.
Ooh, that actually sounds nice. Better than my boring same to you.
Exactly. Want something cuter? Say, Merry Christmas, wishing you joy and cozy moments. People love that cozy vibe.
Okay, I like that. But what about texting? I always feel weird sending Christmas messages.
For texting, keep it short but warm, like, Merry Christmas, hope this season treats you kindly. Or sending Christmas love your way. Boom, perfect.
That sounds personal, but not too personal. Good balance.
And if someone is really close, say, Merry Christmas, I'm grateful you're in my life. That one hits deep.
Aspen, stop. That's actually sweet.
Hey, what can I say? I'm talented. What else is bothering you?
Honestly, I don't feel the Christmas spirit this year. Everyone else seems excited, and I'm just, tired.
Sadi, holidays don't erase real life. You're allowed to feel however you feel. Christmas isn't about pretending, it's about connection.
Sometimes I wish someone would ask me how I'm doing, genuinely, not just Merry Christmas and walk away.
I'm asking, right now, how are you, really?
I'm overwhelmed, but talking like this makes me feel lighter. Yeah, better.
Good. You don't have to carry everything alone. And hey, when Christmas comes, remember, wishes don't have to be perfect. They just have to be real.
So, how would you wish me?
Okay, here's mine. Merry Christmas, Sadi. I hope this season gives you the peace you've been searching for.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Because it's true.
Thank you, Aspen, for making Christmas feel a little less heavy.
Always. You're not alone. Not at Christmas, not ever.
All right, learners, that was today's Christmas conversation. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow. See you in the next one. Happy holidays and take care.